Federal prosecutors charged a Milwaukee landlord and 17 others with knowingly renting to drug dealers so they could do business. The investigation centered on the real estate company S2 Properties and its owner, Samuel Stair. Investigative reporter James Stratton is at the federal courthouse live tonight. James, the feds say Samuel Stair knew tenants would be trafficking drugs.
And Derek saying that he rented to them to use them as stash houses to store drugs and for trap houses to sell them there. The years-long investigation started back in 2024, led to the arrest and charge of 18 people.
A sign on the front of S2 Properties on Milwaukee's south side reads, "Yes, we're open." Open even with the owner in federal custody. U.S. Marshals arrested Samuel Stair Wednesday. A 176-page criminal complaint unsealed that same day shows his offenses, drug charges, money laundering, and maintaining a drug trafficking place. The feds also arrested 17 others for similar charges. Federal prosecutors allege part of his business model is to rent properties directly to drug traffickers, to use them as stash houses to store drugs, and trap houses to distribute them. In some cases, the feds allege he used drug traffickers to manage properties to find addicts to rent to guarantee income. Feds allege he was laundering money, saying he puts legitimate rent payments and drug trafficking money into the same accounts. Records show the feds searched 12 properties, including these homes near 19th and National and 21st and Pierce, along with S2's office near 29th and Lincoln. No one there would answer our questions at the door.
Hey, I'm from Channel 12. I'm trying to talk to someone about S2 and about the arrest of the owner.
S2 owns 150 properties, mainly on Milwaukee's south side. Kevin Solomon, organizer of nonprofit advocacy group Common Ground, says the arrest aligns with what they've heard from tenants in that area.
The most horrific, vivid example to confirm everything we've said, and to frankly to say that it's a systematic problem.
And James, Milwaukee Common Council President Jose Perez is taking action.
And Derek Perez says he wants to hear about problem landlords in the city, requesting communication files to hear from Milwaukee police about type 2 part crime, which is drug offenses and more, and also hear from the city attorney's office about the corporate ownership of rental properties across the city of Milwaukee, even calling out S2 by name, saying that these most recent charges show that tenants in the city are being preyed upon.
James Stratton live outside the federal courthouse in downtown Milwaukee tonight.